today, because we have a good one coming at you, don't we, Hunter?
Oh yeah.
Guys, you know how we bought this red box for the gray giveaway box? We just changed our mind because this video is going to be about the new 5-drawer red rolling. Look at that bad boy.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we're going to take the stuff out of the gray one. We're going to still give that one away, but we're going to change it over to this one.
To the red, because we got the red miniature box.
Because we want to match the box, because it just was bothering me so bad, me and Hunter, because we have the blue and the blue box to give away, and why not make the red and the red box and just do it like that, guys? But we want to thank everyone.
Yeah, because the keychain.
The keychain
is the reason we're able to do this
right here, guys. Go to PriceCustoms.com. Pick you up one of these, and 100% of the proceeds go to this, our giveaway boxes. We have 3 giveaway boxes already.
We just got to get tools for them.
We got to get tools for them now, so keep buying these keychains so we can fill them up and give them away to students. It makes their day. It makes their year, and it gives them...
It makes my year.
It makes my day, too, you know, and I guarantee you, y'all love it, too. That's the reason y'all are buying these, because these are going everywhere, dude.
Yes.
But what I'm saying, guys, is it gives the kids the chance to believe this.
To believe they can dream big.
They can dream big. Things will happen for you. So all you got to do is, these are $8. That's
plus
all.
the shipping.
Plus shipping.
When
yeah, $8 plus shipping. We don't control shipping, guys, whatsoever.
USPS does that.
Yeah, whatever it is, that's what they charge. We don't have nothing to do with that. But guys, we love these because, I mean, that's our favorite part of what we do.
Yeah, is giving away.
Is giving it back to the community, because, you know, there's some kids out there. When I was... I'm going to give them a little backstory real quick. Yep. Okay, guys? I'm not going to hold you up very long. We'll get into this box. But when I was a youth pastor and a children's church pastor for a long time. And I had this dream that I believe that kids should not go without Christmas. And so we started this movement in children's church, which my kids in children's church absolutely loved. It was somehow got some kind of shipment of toys. I got a connection. And where we gave hundreds of kids Christmas, and we loved that. That's what it was all about. And then I seen these young men that, so I heard this broke my heart, because I was like this when I was young. They said, he'll never amount to anything, he's worthless. And ever since then, I thought, you know what, no one's worthless, and someone will always amount to something.
Yes,
because it don't cost a bit more to dream big than it does little. And that's what done is. And we were buying bicycles for them and not letting them know who it come from. We didn't let them know. We just took it to the school and they dealt with it. And that's what we're doing with the boxes.
And why do we dream big?
Because we serve
a big God.
Guys, that's what we believe. That's what we're doing. And guys, I want to thank everyone. These things are on fire.
The ratchet organizers?
We can't keep up. We didn't realize how good they were going to do. So it's hard for us to keep them in stock. Hopefully, we're filming on President's Day right now. Hopefully, by the time the video's out, there's still some on the website. But if you hadn't got them yet, guys, go back and forth to the website and check them, because it's like as soon as we put them on, they sell out that day. Yeah, and I mean, there's a lot of sets, and they sell out that day. So, guys, pick you up one. We're making them affordable, because, you know, that's the reason someone said put a magnet on them. We're trying to make it where anyone can get these, don't matter what, because we don't want to put the price too high. So that's...
Yeah, if we had to put the magnet on it, the price would have to go up.
The price would go up, because it's just, you know, how things are right now. But we're trying to make them where anyone can get them. We don't want to put limits on it. So, guys, they are good. We love them. We got our box plumb full of them. And, guys, let's get to this right here. Here's the part, though, that Hunter loves. We got to put this thing together.
But we're not going to show that on camera.
We won't show you guys. We know. You haven't seen us do it before multiple times. But we're going to get to this, and then we're going to take a look at the color of this red and how nice it is, and move some tools over.
And this is the new series.
What we'll do, yes, the series 3.
Yeah.
The new red. I love it with the black with the black trim. Absolutely spectacular what they done here. But guys, when we get this right here, we'll fill it up and we'll give you a toolbox tour of what we're giving away, what y'all are giving away.
Yes.
Because every one of y'all helped do this. So guys, let's get to this. All right, guys, if you hadn't put one of these together, I recommend don't. Get a friend to come over and have them do it, because we've done so many of these. We've done it in about 30-40 minutes.
Yeah, but it's just not fun to do.
It's just not fun, but this is a good looking red.
Look at that red.
I mean, it is. And the whole reason we done this is look at that, dude.
To have the miniature box match the main box.
But guys, as we speak on the video today, we sold out on President's Day in one day.
Of the ratchet organizers.
Of the ratchet organizers, guys. But as this video is posted, there'll be more on the site as this video is posted. So if you're watching this and you're wanting some of these, you better do it quick because they sell out in a day. I mean, we got more and more each time, and they sell out. Yeah, I mean,
We're thankful.
We thank everyone that's ordered some, and we appreciate you. We're going to do our best to make y'all happy. That's what we're about, guys, taking care of one another. But look at this box. So we're going to upgrade this box. Well, not really upgrade, but
just change colors.
Change the color because we want to do the red with the red. That's what it is. This box will still be a giveaway box.
Yeah, just be a different giveaway.
Be a different giveaway. It might go somewhere else, a different school.
And this color matches the school's color, so it's like we have to do it.
Dude, it had that 15% off President's Day sale. But guys, I'm telling you right now, if you're in the market for one of these right here, red, blue, whatever color they got, you know the next one we might get?
Orange. For Go Vols.
We have orange.
I know.
But what we might get to give away is that, what's that, green?
Oh, that green looks good.
Yeah, that might be a good one to give away. I wish they made the miniature box that color too, but check it out, guys.
Well, let's go over this. This top area is massive. It's got a good amount of room. I've saw where some people actually rivet these out so it don't have this locking mechanism, so you can have more space instead of having that take up space.
Yeah, that is true. A lot of people do that. There's a lot of neat things you can look on YouTube and find that you can upgrade these boxes. Pretty cool.
But we're not going to do that because we'll let the person decide if they want that or not.
This is their box. This will be their box.
Look at that black trim. Looks so good.
You know what I'm excited about, Hunter?
What?
This is a nice box.
Very nice box. Well, that is a nice box.
That is a nice box. But we're trying to up our game every year. And it's thanks to y'all that we are able to even do this. We say that over and over and over. But guys, if you want to help us out, go get you some of these right here. But if you want to help this cause out, pick you up a keychain.
Yes,
we said it a million times that keychain has done a lot of good for some kids. I'm telling you that. I really appreciate it.
Makes them happy.
It does. You know it does.
Oh, yeah.
Could you imagine showing up at school
and seeing this?
And it's yours.
That'd be
full
sick.
of tools.
That'd be so cool.
I mean, how much happier can you get? But guys, Hunter, we're going to let Hunter give you
Let's just open up these drawers real quick and look at the space.
A lot of people have seen these, but...
Looks good. That's a good drawer. These two are the same size.
How did we have that drawer, that box laid out when we had it?
I can't remember. This is a good deep drawer. And these are your bigger drawers. It's hard to do this one-handed. If they're new, it's kind of hard to open. Let's slide this over. Get that mat flattened out.
That's probably my driving that done that.
Yeah.
Guys, they come packaged pretty well. Like really well. So the first thing that we're going to put in this toolbox, guys. Oh yeah, hold on. But in March, guys, if you're in, did I already say that?
I think so, but they're going to be on sale for $189.
$189 in March, guys. Go pick you up one. You cannot beat that. I can't remember if I said that or not.
I don't know, but you wanted to.
I wanted to, and I keep wanting to say it because it's such a deal. We might pick up another giveaway box.
Hey, if y'all keep buying keychains, we're able to.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to transfer some stuff. I'm going to let Hunter over here to do this part. We're going to transfer the tools from that one to this one, and let's see how it looks.
So this box is a very great box. It's look at the design. It's basically like the exact same design.
It's just that one's
this one's deeper.
This one's a 4-drawer.
Yeah, and that's
so this is like the U.S. General 4-drawer.
Yeah.
But it has a work table that comes on it. That's one thing that we loved about it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So look at this, man. We don't even have all the sockets on here.
No, we don't have everything ready, but we're working on it.
We truly are. Now he's going to put these in here. I love the red, guys. So it matches our socket. You know what?
What?
Should they get one?
We'll throw in a set.
I think so. I think that'd be cool. Put our a set of our socket organizers in there for them, and they hopefully they like them.
Look how much more room you're getting.
I know, because you could add some like this way.
Because look how tight this was. Which this will still be a giveaway box.
Yeah, yeah. There's another high school around here that I didn't even think of.
Well, we've thought of, but we just now have a way to get into that.
No, I'm not talking about that one. There's another one.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Think about it. It just happened. They just made it into a high school here recently.
Oh, that is true. I don't know if they have automotive yet.
We can find out.
If they do, that's another one.
So if they do, this box might go to them.
Yeah. And with the other school, we just now got a
way
way into that school, like how to communicate.
Yeah, because one of our...
one of my old teachers is now the principal, so it works out.
So we know the principal now. Oh, look how good that's looking, dude.
That's looking so good.
Comment down below what you think about the red, though. I love it. I didn't know the red looked that good.
Here's the only metric we have in here so far.
Yeah.
We haven't. There's still tons of sockets down there we have not messed with. Look at that, guys.
Right down there near my chainsaw.
Yeah. Ooh, that's the drawer I'm excited about.
Well, that's gonna be nice. So, guys, what we might do is let him. Hold on, is that the breaker bar?
Yeah, this is the breaker bar.
Here, I'll hand you some stuff. How about that?
That might make it a little easier.
Oh, there's a ton of tools in here. I would have never thought that they had...
And the people that are wondering, these quins are from the set is fitting into the regular size.
Yes, so that works good.
Because there was some people that have asked that question and we were not sure. But if you are unsure, we always do have the measurements of the inside of the organizer on the website.
Yeah, and we do also sell the large size
if it don't.
If yours are larger than the
measurements on there.
Yeah, because we made these made to the snap-on, the icon and the queen.
They were designed to fit.
And then I thought, you know what? You know, the V series
is a bigger head.
Pittsburgh is a bigger head.
So we're like that. We need to have a set designed for that aspect too.
Yeah, so that's why we done that. And man, there's a lot of tools that come with this set.
But there seems to be a lot more room in this box, so we can add more stuff.
Yeah, that's what makes me happy. We can just set these on top because this goes with it.
Yeah, I mean, all this stuff from that box will go in this one. I just got to get them more organizing. I love organizing, just haven't had time to get to this.
Yeah, we've been very, very, very busy.
But very soon, hopefully, we'll be able to give this away.
Guys, like we know some of y'all would love to see us go back to working on some car stuff too.
Yes.
And we will, but we've been having a lot of
family stuff
going on, and
in and out of the hospital stuff. So we've been
tied up trying to help take care.
We've been focused on family.
Yeah. And because we believe that's what it's all about, family, friends, and YouTube people. Because
hey, they're our family and friends.
You're our family and friends.
Here, I can grab the stuff if you want to step back.
I'll step back.
To get the good angles.
Yeah, because, I mean, I might have made them dizzy. Dude, that's going to look good, Hunter.
I'm already liking this a lot.
Yeah, I like how they have the red organizers like that.
Look, red and black.
Oh.
It's like that was on purpose for us.
Yeah, did we do that on purpose?
No. It just so happened.
They can fit more stuff in here then.
Yeah. This will give a little more room to grow with it.
Yeah, because, you know, they'll add more tools to this. This is just the beginning.
To get them started.
Yeah, man, I hope they like it, though. I'm sure they will.
We might be able to have enough room for another organizer or two in here.
Oh, that'd be nice. We need to pick some up then.
Instead of laying them on the thing like this, there might be enough room to...
Yeah, we could probably add another one right in the middle.
It's looking like it.
Guys, comment down below if we should get more organizers.
So we're going to get this drawer filled in and then go on to the next stuff.
All right, we'll get back with you right here in a minute.
We got this box cleared out. And we're super excited about this giveaway. One thing we forgot, we got to put the handle on this.
Ah! Someone would have caught us on that one.
We got to put the handle on that. I just saw that.
I think we forgot that last time, too.
I think we did. We always forget that. But, here's the top drawer. We got some of our sockets. We still have sockets to go. We got the icon light for it. I wish we had the red one.
Look, guys, look how many lights they have. Well, we could probably get the red one and swap it out. Put that one in another one.
And we got the blue light, which we might need to swap this out for a red one, too.
Yeah, what we could do is put that blue one in the blue box.
Yeah.
And then the green one we'll put in this box.
Yeah. Hey, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
But this is the next drawer, so welcome to my toolbox. Not my toolbox, but...
It could be. If you're one of the students, it could be yours.
Be your box. But we got a bit organizer. All the bits that come with it. The Allens. Pretty nice set. If you've not saw that video, go check out our channel on the video of the Quinn Master Set.
Because it's
a cool
unbelievable.
set. Look at this. We got our screwdrivers. This is how we had it set up at when we used our orange box 5 drawer just like this. I had the screwdrivers in this drawer, and I like it that way. They could change it however they want.
Yeah, they might change this thing all the way around.
All right, let's go to this box first. Oh, look at those ratchet organizers.
Ratchet organizers. See, it makes it look so much neater, though.
Take up less room, too. And we got our extensions. We got our picks, and then 2 breaker bars. Quarter, or are they both 3/8? No, 1/2 inch and 3/8.
Yeah.
And then below that, we got our wrenches. We need to get another organizer for these.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Which will fit in this one. It was not fitting in that one, but it will fit in this one. And then this bottom drawer here.
They can grow right here.
Yes.
Their power tools can go down here, and they can get more pliers.
More
whatever
pliers, got
they
a
want.
hammer. There's room to grow in this box, which is nice, where there is a little more room to grow. But overall, is this box worth it?
Oh, and guys, they have more.
Yeah, we just have not done
They'll
it
probably
yet.
fill the top up. Maybe.
Because we need to buy more organizers for them. We've been using these Pittsburgh ones. They actually work pretty good for this case.
Yeah.
Some people don't like them, but
the
they
red
work.
mini box, the red big box.
Yeah.
Guys, comment down below what you think. Is this box worth?
Is it worth it? I think it is. I think it's a good design. And just look how beautiful that is together.
Yeah, I mean they'll like that. They could have their work table and have that sitting on the work table beside their.
Yeah.
Oh, it could be really nice for them.
I mean,
I'm excited about giving it away, guys. And without y'all, that wouldn't be possible.
Nope.
I mean, it would be hard.
It would be hard, but we really appreciate your guys' support of the Dream Big movement because we believe in dreaming big.
Because it does not cost a bit more to dream big than it does
And
little.
we'll dream big.
Because I serve.
A big God.
That's right. Now
And
that
that'll be
keychain
right
will go
there.
with it. Look at that.
Oh, it looks so good.
And guys, we'll throw decal in there. Ratchet organizers. We're trying to make these kids happy. We hope we do a good job at it, and we thank y'all because y'all are doing it. We're out there with us.
Oh yeah, this is a joint effort thing. This
is Price Customs and our group,
our family.
Yeah, our family. So guys, we thank you every single one of y'all. The ones watching, commenting. That's all you have to really do.
Yeah, and then if you want to go the extra step and get the keychain for this movement right here, the Dream Big movement, we really do appreciate it.
Yeah, we really do. And pick you up some ratchet organizers tomorrow because that's probably the only chance you'll get one day.
And comment down below if you want to see, if you want to do us to do a video on a certain tool you want us to do it on. Comment down below and we'll see if we can do it.
Yeah, so guys, we'll appreciate you and everything. Comment down below also what you think about the red because I really want to know. Do you think it's cool? Is it resale red or what?
Look at this, red and blue. All we need is a white box. We got it.
Uh-oh. Red, white, and blue. But it's not even made in America.
Hey, it's
but
okay.
Hey, it's okay. But
you can support America and not have stuff made in America.
Yeah, that's right. So. My Tundra, I put American flag on it.
Oh, yeah. So, guys, we really do appreciate you guys for watching, so we'll see you next time.
See ya. Peace.